Peace be upon you and your family. 11th Chemistry Refresher Course Model Unit 6 Carbon and its Compound. In this, we are going to discuss about the answer key, that means students' activity and assessments. Now come to the student activity part. Take a football since it resembles to Buckminster fullerene, one of the allotropic form of carbon. Count how many hexagonals and pentagonals panels are in it. Every corner is considered as one carbon. These are all carbon atom. And compare your observation with fullerene and discuss with your friend. In fullerene, it seems to be like a football. This is a 6-membered ring, 6-membered ring, 6-membered ring, and a nearby 5-membered ring. So this is a 5-membered ring. This is also a 5-membered ring. So here 6-membered ring. This is 5-membered ring. There are 20 hexagonal in carbon 60 fullerene and 12 pentagonal 5-membered ring, hexagonal 6-membered ring in carbon 60 fullerene. Now come to the assessment part. There is only one student's activity. Next we have assessment part. Carbon forms a large number of organic compounds due to the properties called catenation. Assessment number 2. Write all possible isomers of C4H10. Molecular formula C4H10. We know what is meant by isomers. The compounds having same molecular formula but a different structural formula. In C4, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. 4 carbon atom root word butane, carbon-carbon single bond in butane. All the carbon atoms are in straight chain, therefore this is called normal butane. To the same molecular formula, we can write one more isomer, isobutane, CH3, CH3, this is iso. One more carbon, methyl is attached to the center carbon. 4 carbon atom butane, carbon-carbon single bond in, this is an iso form, therefore this is isobutane. Compound having same molecular formula but a different structural formula are called isomers. And this comes under chain isomers. Compounds having same molecular formula but number of carbon atom in the main chain is different. Main chain 4 carbon atom, main chain 3 carbon atom. Third assessment, what is called homologous series? Give any 3 of its characteristics. Homologous series. Homologous series is a group or a class of organic compounds having same general formula and similar chemical properties in which the successive members differ by a methylene group. Characteristics of homologous series. Each member of the series differ from successive member by methylene group, CH2 group. All the members contain the same element and functional group. They are represented by a general molecular formula. Example, alkane CN H2N plus 2, alkene CN H2N, alkyne CN H2N minus 2, alcohol, aldehyde, ether, ketone, carboxylic acid are all can be written by a general formula, are all homologous series. The members in each homologous series have similar chemical properties but a gradual variation in physical properties. All the members can be prepared by a common method. Fourth assessment, the secondary suffix used in IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde is al, this al. Name the simplest ketone and give its structural formula. C3H6O. Ketone functional group C double bond O. To this carbonyl group, if 2 the lowest carbon alkyl methyl is added, we will get the first simplest ketone. There are three names for this compound. Common name, one is acetone and another one is, these two are methyl center ketone. Therefore, this is your dimethyl ketone and IUPAC name 3 carbon prop root word carbon carbon single bond n ketone name end with one prop n one propanone. 6 assessment. Classify the following compounds based on the pattern of carbon chain and give their structural formula. Propane comes under alicyclic or open chain compound. The molecular formula, propane 3 carbon atom, CH3, CH2 and CH3, open chain compound. There is no cyclic chain, also called acyclic compound, acyclic compound. Benzene, aromatic compound, molecular formula C6H6 containing alternate single and double bond. This is your benzene, molecular formula C6H6, benzene. Come to cyclobutane, it comes under alicyclic compound. Cyclobutane, CH2, cyclic compound, 4 carbon atom bute, carbon carbon single bond n, therefore cyclobutane. Also can be written as, this is your cyclobutane. Then furan, heterocyclic compound in which heteroatoms oxygen is present in furan. It is a 5-membered. This is your furan, oxygen. There are 2 pair of electron, here one double bond, here one double bond, furan. One student's activity and 6 assessment part we have completed. In this video, we discussed the answer key for Unit 6 carbon and its compound. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.